Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'm giving you demonstration how to remove .ds_store file in any operating system like Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. Such kind of problems comes in your programming skill like machine learning program or Python scripting language or shell script or MATLAB related programming language. You develop something important project, assignment, tasks. So such kind of problems definitely you are facing. Last 2-3 days I am facing same problems, and right now I solve the problem, so that's why I am making this video. So hopeful you are helpful this video. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, I am telling you how come such kind of error. Here one error is coming. Actually I am calling here data folder, and such kind of folders are available on that particular drive, but not available in this dictionary on that particular place and folder. So here file is execute properly, but here error like that way. There's not a dictionary or not a directory available on that particular folder, but here error are come. So how to solve this error with the help of programming or small trick just only. First of all, open your terminal, which operating system you are using accordingly, and then enter this folder, which folder you are working and where exactly error are coming. So I'm open this folder, cd and then folder path and then enter. So ls. So here this dictionary is not coming of ds_store, but I am type here ls-a and then enter. So here this dictionary is coming, means this dictionary is not visible, but always hide positions are available to how to remove this one. So just it's very simple to find space dot dash na name single quote ds single quote dot and then calling this dictionary name, this one single quote complete space dash type type f space dash delete delete and then enter. So this dictionary is absolutely enter, and then again ls-a. So this dictionary or this directory or this error is absolutely delete and solve your problem. You can work like that way and remove this error in your any Python programming or MATLAB or any other task, and same task you are working on your Linux or Windows operating system. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.